All right, here we go. Talk about the measure of center tendency today. We're going to talk about the 3 M's, mean, median, mode. Now, all right, so the mean, we already know the difference on that one. That was the average. We know how to find the average by adding them all up and dividing how many terms or how many elements in our thing. So we know how to find the average. We'll talk about that. Median. Median is the number smack down the middle. So when we arrange our data in numerical order, we're going to find the piece of data right in the middle. So if I have 4, 5, and 6, data is ordered, my middle number would be 5. There's my median. Okay. If we have 2 numbers in the middle, like if I have 21, 22, 23, and 24, I'm going to take my 2 numbers in the middle, add those together, get 45, and divide those by 2 and get 22.5. So if I have 2 numbers in the middle, I just add together and divide by 2. If I have 1 number in the middle, I just take the 1. So on our database down here, okay, we look at our data here. Our data is all lined up on this thing here. We take our middle data, 3 from the top, 3 from the bottom, 6 is the middle, 6 is in the middle. That's our median, is 6. Okay. On our second set of data here, we'll find that we got 7 sets of data here. We'll go in and go 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. That middle number is 6. So our median is 6. So you just find what's in the middle. Okay. If you ever look at an eye chart, just count 3 up, 3 down, 6 in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. There's my middle number right there. It is a 6. When you count these from the bar, you got to count from top down. 1, 2, 3, 4. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got to go from bottom up and from top down. So okay. So there's our median. Our mode is a number that occurs most frequently occurring element. So it occurs most often, occurs most frequently. Okay? So we look at the data set here. We got 5s and 7s that are occurring most often. They're both occurring 3 times each. So our modes are 5 and 7. Okay? On this sort of data here, we got 6s and 10s that are occurring most often. They're both occurring 2 times each. So our modes are 10 and 6. We like to have 1 mode, 2 modes is okay, 3 modes, yeah, stretching it. Any more than 4 modes, just call it your regular data. Okay? All right, so the next thing we talk about is a range. The range of the data is the highest number minus the lowest number. So a maximum minus a minimum. So our maximum in this data is 7, that's our highest number. Our lowest is 5, so we do 7 minus 5 equals 2 is our range. This data over here, our maximum number here is 10. Our minimum number is 2. So we take our range as 10 minus 2, which is 8. So it would be a range of 8 across there. Okay? Now, when we talk about outliers, this affects us more. The next one is outliers are going to affect the mean, but not the median. Okay? They'll affect us more on the other assignment. So, next assignment. All right, so let's go down and look at these. Okay? We have 13 libraries, public libraries in the system. We're going to find the mode. Okay. All right. So the mode. Okay. We're going to find more of the mode. We're going to find the mode. We're going to find the range. We're going to find median, just for fun, just so we get practice out of it. Okay. So the first thing I do is put our data in order. So we got 7s. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7s. Okay. I got 8s. I got 1, 2, 3 8s. Nines. I got 2 9s. 10s. I got 2 10s. And I got 1 11. Okay, so let's see, make sure we got 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep, got all 13 of them in my list. Okay, so which one occurs most often? Most often occurring number is 7. It occurs 5 times. That's my mode. My range is my highest number, which is 11, minus my lowest number, which is 7. It gives me a range of 4. My median is my, because we're 13 numbers, half of 13 is 6.5, so it's my 7th number, basically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th number up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th number down. This is my median right here. My median is 8. Okay? So not too terribly bad to find those. Okay? Give this a refocus. Sharper. There we go. Okay, next page. We have GN with the number of news articles he reads every day. And he read for the last 9 days, so our item number, our sample size is 9. Let's call it that way. Our elements are, okay, is 9. Let's put them in order. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4s. Okay. I got a 3. I should have put that first, I guess. I got 2 6s and a 9. Well, it was a big day you read on that day. Alright, so make sure I got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, got them all. So my range and my mode is what they want. And of course, just for fun, we're going to try our median again. So we get used to doing that. Okay, so my range is the high, which is 9, minus my low, which is 3, which my range then is 6. My brain's going faster than my hand is. Okay. My mode, one that occurs most often, would be, I've got the 4s, there's my mode, occurs 5 times each. And my median, because we're looking at 9 numbers, so 4.5, or okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th data is my median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is my median, so my median is right there, is 4. Okay? Alright, same thing on this next one. We have a number plot, but we do the same thing. We're going to look at the numbers, okay? We're going to look at a range, our mode, and again our median, just for fun again. Okay, so range, highest number is 9, minus the lowest number, which is 1. My range is 8. My mode, it's easy to find which one occurs most often. You've got to find which one has the most X's on it. So that'd be 6. And my median, we're going to count from the bottom to top. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 datas in there. So I'm looking for the 5th from the top. 5th from the bottom, we're going to be in the middle of those two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5th from the bottom. 5th from the top, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. 5th from the top of those two datas, they're both 6s. So it wouldn't matter if I took and added them together and divided by 2, I'd still get 6. So my median is 6. Okay? Now these last two are a little tricky. You got to figure out how the median is being used. Okay, little story problems here. And you just got to remember that when you look at your mean, okay, mean is total divided by sample size with number of elements equals my mean. Okay, I should put X bar. Okay, so I just got to remember that. So when it says here we have 9 used cars, well, that's how many cars I have. That's my sample size. Total price 27. That's my total, 27,000. Then when I find the mean, I was going to divide those, and I get $3,000 each. Okay. All right. So for Ruby now. Gonna find her. She's played 4 ball games. She scored 20 points so far. She wants to score her next game. That's her 5th game, by the way. That's game 5. So her average is 22 points. So we want her average to equal 22 points. Well, to get that average, I know we're going to divide it by 5 games. We have a total score up here. Well, we've got to add these up. So let's add these up. So 19. So 19 plus 25 plus 21 plus 23 gives a total of 88 points. But we got to remember, you have to add that one more game. Okay? Alright, so to solve this, we're going to times both sides by 5. Just package up times by 5 right here. Okay? And 5 over here. So we're going to get 88 plus X equals 110. Subtract 88 from both sides. Oh, what am I doing here? Subtract 88 from both sides. Let's kick at x equals 22. So she will need 22 points in her unknown game to keep her average at 22 points. Okay? All right. A quick way to do that would be just to simply just take, let's take the 22 points, each points for an average, and times that by 5. She's got to get 110 points. Then you just subtract these really easy scores here. Okay? 25, subtract 21, subtract 23. And that gives it 22 points also. Okay, on this next one, we're going to just do a little work on the calculator here. We're going to just do this on the calculator. Okay, so clear this, go to your stat mode, go to edit. We're going to find both of these on the, so we need to clear my list first. So to clear my list, go up to list 1, hit clear, hit enter, and it clears the list. Then put these in 12, 10, 10, 12, and 16. Okay, got my 5 scores in there. Go back to stat, slide over to calc, go down to edit. Go down, hit return 3 or 4 times, and my mean is x bar, that is 12. And then slide down one little click here, and my median is also 12. Okay, so putting numbers in one time, going through your stat thing, tells you what your numbers are. Again, remind you that these stat numbers, this is my median up here, the x bar is my median. This is sum of all my numbers, so when I add those 5 numbers up, I'd get 60, and divided by number 5, the elements would be 5, that's how I get 12 comes up. This number right here is what they call the standard deviation. You'll need that for your last assignment. And then your median, these numbers down here are your box whisker numbers. You got your minimum, you got your first quartile, your lower quartile, you got your median, you got your upper quartile, and you got your maximum. And you find your range, just go 16 minus 10 is your range. And your inner quartile range would be 14 minus 10. Okay? All right, so that one's done. Good luck with that.